Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.4.6 on AlmaLinux 10. Okay, first to open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Then click on downloads, then scroll down, click on MySQL community downloads, then select MySQL community server, then select the version. See here we have the 8.4.6. If you are unable to find the version, click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Then select the operating system, Red Hat Enterprise or Oracle Linux. Then select the version. See here we have the versions from 7 to 10. So I am on AlmaLinux 10. So select RHL 10. See, once we selected these options, it populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just to download this RPM bundle to install MySQL Server 8.4.6. So click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 875 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will untap the star file and we will install RPM packages. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Then go to downloads, cd, downloads, ls. See here we have the tar file. We have to untar it, tar-xf, then MySQL, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire tar file name, hit enter. Now install MySQL Server 8.4.6. ls. See, we have the list of the RPM packages. Now install these packages. To install, now execute these packages to install MySQL Server 8.4.6. sudo control-L, sudo rpm -ivh -nodeps, then start.rpm. This command will install all RPM packages from the current directory. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed MySQL Server 8.4.6. Now verify the status of the MySQL series. Control-L, sudo systemctl, status MySQL D. See, MySQL Server is installed but it is not started. So start it, sudo systemctl, start MySQL. If you give like MySQL without D, it won't work. So we have to give MySQL D. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is active and running. Q to quit. Control-L. Now connect to MySQL Server, but we don't have password of any MySQL user like root or other accounts. So we can get the MySQL user temporary password by going to more/var log mysqld.log grep password. Hit enter. See, how to run this with sudo. See, we got the MySQL user root account temporary password. See, this is a temporary password. This is not same for you. Now we will set the permanent password for the MySQL root account. MySQL _ sudo MySQL _ secure _ installation. Now provide this temporary password. As I told you, this is not same for you. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. Now set the permanent password for the root account. I don't want to change again. Type no. Remove anonymous users, yes. Disable no. Remove test database and access to it, yes. Reload privileges, yes. All done. We have successfully set the password for root account. Now connect to MySQL Server with the root account. MySQL -u, username is root -p. Then provide the password whatever we have set now. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server version 8.4.6. You can also verify the version of the MySQL Server by running select version. See, we got the same. Okay, now verify list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create database. See, we have created database bank. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command use, then provide the name of the database. See, database change. Now verify list of tables in this database. Show tables. See, you don't have any tables because this is the fresh database. So create table. See, we have created a table. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will create user. Before that, verify list of users. Show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from MySQL.user. See, we got the list of see, these are the default users. Now create user. Create. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, that is the password. Please type. Now verify the same. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL Server 8.4.6 with this new user. Exit MySQL-u. New username is David-p. See here, whatever is there. See, whatever is there in singular double quotes, that is the password. Okay. So provide it. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have logged into the MySQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. Use, then provide the name of the database. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. Exit. Now we'll see how to stop, start and restart MySQL server on AlmaLinux 10. Sudo systemctl stop MySQLD. Now verify the status. See, MySQL server is stopped. Okay. Event. Okay. We can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. See, we are unable to connect. Okay. Now start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQLD. If you want to restart, just give here restart. Okay, until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. You can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench or DBViewer. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench or DBViewer on AlmaLinux. Okay, we have successfully installed MySQL server 8.4.6. ls these files are not required anymore, so remove them to clear space. rm star.rpm. This command will delete all rpm packages from the current directory. ls we have one more file, remove it. rm mysql, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire file name, hit enter. ls we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL server 8.4.6 on AlmaLinux 10. Okay, for more MySQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.